Hi guys, we are unboxing my new ShineWell air compression leg massager with heat. I honestly, anytime I have a leg day, my legs get super tight, so I think this will be a great addition to my self-care items. So just looking at the box, it says it's got 3 massage modes, 3 air pressure intensities, 2 different levels for heating, and it should help relieve sore and fatigue muscles and improve leg circulation. So if you have poor circulation in your legs, this could also be a really good item for you. All right, so we have first things first. It's got a whole instruction pack here. These must be pieces that you place on it when it's all open. So let's just pull out all of the pieces to go with it. Then we will take a look at the instructions of it. Like, what is this? There's so many parts to go with it. Let's see. Okay, this obviously is going to be the power functions or main control piece. So it says sequence, circulation, whole, max, min, mid section also, or setting, max, min for heat, power, then mode, intensity, heat, and power all along there. So it looks really cool. It's very sturdy feeling. And in the bottom, you've got a ton of little hookups there as well. This looks like it'll be for one side. Wow. It feels very high quality. Velcro is always great because you can really modify it to exactly the size that you need for yourself. And there's a snap button too. Okay, interesting. So this obviously is the lower end for your feet, backside of it. And then this cord will be placed in here. I'm just going off of like intuitive. It says up. Okay. Fits in there. Good. Good so far. Okay. I mean, I'll still look at the instructions, but so far, so good. Everything makes sense. And then we've got the other side here as well. So same thing. You're going to have all the Velcro at the back. You'll want to size it up to your legs. And I'm going to undo it just to pull that cord out really quick. And again, place it in here. There's only 2 spots there. Oops. Let's see. So you've got a 50-50 chance, I would say. There we go. And that way. Perfect. And then we've got a box with additional pieces. So let's get this away. I like to keep the boxes that I have something to store it in. And just the main plug. Okay, very easy to set up. So this obviously will just go into your wall and place this one. I'm just gonna unplug these for the sake of showing. You can see there's one single hole here. So that is where that plug would go, obviously. So very simple to set that up. I'm gonna plug this in and I'll be back. Okay, so I have plugged it in. Obviously, I don't have the leg piece attached just for ease of showing. But here is how it goes. When you power it on, all these lights will light up so you can see your selection. So I've changed the mode from sequence to circulation, or there's whole. Let's keep it on sequence. Intensity, you can see it's moving up on there. We'll keep it at minimum to start with. And then heat, you see I've selected min and max. Very straightforward and very easy to use. So I have the machine running right now. I've got it at max and on the circulation setting, but this is how they look on. So it's an air compression style massage. So it's filling up with air and then releasing to give you almost like a squeeze effect. It does feel super nice. And then putting them on was super simple. The Velcro is very sticky, so everything stays in place, which is good. And I'm really enjoying the heat function on here on my feet because my feet are always cold. Last thing, that first part that I had unboxed was a storage bag. So I placed it all in the storage bag. You can either keep it in the box or just keep it in this bag. So super handy for storing. Really enjoy this. Definitely check it out.